Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune.
And go out and do what it is that you want to do, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, without having to get validation from nobody. Because like I said, everybody want to be a part of something that's successful. You know what I'm saying? So be successful and people gonna jump on board. You know what I'm saying? Bandwagon. You know what I'm saying? And decide what success is for you. You know what I'm saying? Make your own definition of success. You know what I'm saying? Your definition of success may not be the same as the other person. You know what I'm saying? Like, my definition of success ain't the same as everybody else. My definition of success ain't even the same as the way I used to look at success. You know what I'm saying? Once you reach certain levels, and when you trying to achieve success, you know what I'm saying, those things mold and shape you, shape the way you think, and and that can be for the bad or for the worse. As long as you know what everybody else think, everybody else's opinion, you know what I'm saying, motherfucker talk, keep your business to yourself, keep grinding, stay positive, keep vibing high vibrations, stay in great spirits, keep going, man. You know what I'm saying?
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune.